had been instituted by the Najalankumbi Quizzings through a proxy, a one Kamalu Wante, challenging the legality of our national chairman. File criminal case number.
Ogw'okuggalawo ekibadde ekibiina kyaffe ekya FDC naye ne kigwamu ebizibu, n'ekyokubiri ekyo nga kirina myezi 6, ssemateeka waffe akiwa myezi 6 okukitambuza kukituusa.
Tulina okudissolvinga ekibiina ekyo oluvannyuma lw'okuwa enotisi ya myezi 6. Olwaleero obukulembeze bwange bukwasibwa obuyinza kuba bwongezeddwayo ekisanja ekirala.
Just like attempting to sell land or property he doesn't own. We have been treated to decula politics by our colleagues in Katonga, which group has been run as a cult. These are fun makers, comedians, who even really talk knowing that the law is not with them. I even wonder which law school Lukwago actually went to. I think the law council needs to question, the integrity of the qualifications of Lukwago. I have seen him trying to argue cases, but you see a man who exercises politics in court, and he thought he would do that with us here. Drive their own interests down our throats using Dr. Kizza Besigye as a prop. We said to them, we will not allow our party to be taken by anybody, no matter his political size or weight. This actually makes me believe that there is a very big fundamental problem with the so-called made in 1986 political group or model. These bush war people who came to this country through the bush, seem to be behaving the same way, who have over time proven to be the same. Everything Ugandans know about Mr. Museveni, Colonel Kizza Besigye seems to be 3 or 2-fold of it. Up to now, as we all know, Mr. Museveni has never dreamt of life outside the presidency, with more ambiguities on the succession plan, which these bush war people who came to this country through the bush, seem to be behaving the same way, who have over time proven to be the same. Painful for us that Lukwago, who has put nothing, absolutely nothing to this party, is the person who would want to bury this party. And I want to invite our members listening to us. The Electoral Commission has not been to Katonga to ask them to file a list of leaders that are duly elected. In fact, our friends wandered into the banks in this country, wanting to take control over the accounts of the FDC. They were told by the bank authorities they do not know them. And so our leaders here who are authorized continue to transact. Tuola nga lukulembeddwa Lord Mayor Lukwago ate yali lawyer mu kooti eyo, byonna bibayisa tebisobola kukola mu mateeka. Era obukulembeze bwe balonda bwe bagamba nti obw'ekiseera ng'ate constitution teyogera ku bukulembeze bwa kiseera, buba tebuba bukulembeze kubanga waliwo ekiragiro kya kooti kye bataajulira.